How to fix your Instagram messages swipe reply option not working, or maybe your swipe is simply not working and whenever you're trying to reply to a specific message. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can fix if your swipe option is not working on the Instagram chats. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So basically I will show you what the issue is. If I go ahead and open, let's say, Instagram for example, and then I tap on the chat icon right over here, let me go ahead and simply open any of the chats. The problem here is that even if I long press on it over here, you'd basically be able to see a reply option, as in my case right here you can see at the bottom left. However, let's say you're not being able to find that option. The other thing you could do is you could simply swipe right to this specific message, and then you could go ahead and reply to that specific message, as you can see right over here. But in this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if either of those options are not showing up. The very first thing we're going to do is, this could be a minor bug or issue from the Instagram itself. So we're going to go to our App Store and then simply check whether we have an update available. So simply open your App Store if you're on iPhone, and if you're on Android, go ahead and open your Google Play Store. In the search box, I will simply go ahead and type in Instagram. So as you type in Instagram, right over here, if you see an update button next to Instagram, you have to tap on it in order to update it to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, if the problem persists, we're going to move on to the second solution. And that is that we will simply try to clear the cache if you're on Android, and if you're using it on iOS, we will go ahead and offload the app. In order to offload the Instagram app, I'm going to go ahead and open the settings app on my iPhone. As soon as you open settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and you'll find this option which says general. All you have to do is tap on the general option. As soon as you tap on general, you'll find another option which says iPhone storage. So tap on the iPhone storage. Over here, you'll generally be able to see what kind of apps are occupying how many storage on your device. Now we will simply wait until all of the apps has loaded fully, and we will go and look for Instagram over here. Once you find Instagram, simply tap on the Instagram app. As you tap on Instagram, you can see we have two options: to offload or delete the app. Now we won't go ahead and delete the app. We will simply tap on the offload button, which is highlighted in blue, and at the bottom, go ahead and tap on the offload app option. Now if none of this solution works for you, the final thing we can do is simply send a report to Instagram with a screenshot message that our reply option is not showing up. So go ahead and open Instagram again. At the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. Once you tap on your profile icon, at the very top right hand side, you can tap on the three horizontal lines. As soon as you tap on the three horizontal lines icon, in the pop-up menu, you have to go ahead and tap on the gear icon which says settings. Once you go to settings, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. You can go ahead and tap on help. As you tap on help, tap on report a problem, and then confirm it again. Over here, we want to briefly explain what happens and what's not working. For example, you could type in simply, I have updated my Instagram app, I have also tried switching my account, but then the reply option is just not showing up. You can also refer to the screenshots below. Once you enter any of the text over here, you can go ahead and tap on the next or the submit button at the very top right hand side of the screen, and hopefully Instagram will get back to you within a few days period of time with a positive solution if they think that your reason is actually valid. We hope one of these solutions may have fixed your issue. If it did fix your issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.